how to build anything with Google AI Studio, and specifically Google 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental Model. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to Google AI Studio, log in with your Google account, and here you want to come and select on the Model tab the Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental, which is free to use for 10 requests per minute. So this is my first time ever trying it out and I'm very excited. At the same time, I also have set up GitHub Copilot on my computer. Go watch my previous tutorials on that end. And we can also select Gemini 2.0 Flash over here. Another amazing thing is that today we will be building out and improving my website. Now, let me advertise it to you a little bit. This is the website that I'm talking about. And here you can see all of the offers that we provide along with my friend that we create together the website. We have added a new section which is called AI Tool List. It will be down below in the description, and here I will be passing information about text, code generators, and a lot of other things. So you don't want to miss out this website. It will be a very good way for you to get information about the latest tools. For example, let me click on Llama Coder. Here you can see a beautiful markdown, a video tutorial, along with a link for Llama Coder. And you can easily start checking all of these different options. Everything aggregated over here. So I will have to update a lot of things and bring in all of the new videos that I have made, but this is a very big and exciting step for the channel. So today we're going to be improving this website because it needs quite a lot of work. One of the things that I don't like at all is this landing page. I absolutely hate it and I want to revamp it. So the first step that we are going to take is revamping this card element because we want to make it look better. I'm navigating into this tool cards prop element. I'm going to copy all of this code. I'm going to come to the LM Studio. I'm going to paste the code over here, and I'm also going to bring a screenshot. So let me screenshot this thing. Let's check out if it can actually use the screen. Okay, so this, all right, let's fix this. Okay, so let's write a prompt. This is a component from my website. I want you to use SAD-CN library component to make it look better. Make sure to leave all the fields as you see them and just pass the information to the respective fields. Okay, so this is the request we want to be running. So we want to improve this card element, make it look better, and let's give this a check. Again, this is my first time ever trying out this coding tool. I have no idea if it works well, if it's going to do the work. And here we can also see its thought process. So this is very, very nice. And again, this is free to use and you can also use it with an API. I'm going to do it in a future video, not right now, but this is also amazing. Google offering free AI tools with thinking very easily is just amazing, guys. This is such a good opportunity. I want to stress this out. Also, if you enjoy this kind of tutorials and videos, you can buy me a coffee, literally, or actually a book. So you can literally donate to the channel. This is just set up because I don't want to, charge you in any other way, at least for now. And we also have multiple free tutorials down below in the description. And I will try at least once per week to have a new free course, but more coming later on that front. I want to put out so many free courses for you guys and hopefully you will enjoy them. So if you like this channel, if you feel like you learned some things, I would be very grateful if you support through a donation. But let's move on. Let's go back to the topic of the video. I'm done with the advertisements. Let's go ahead and see what it tells us. So what it does is it imports CN from libsutil, these card components, it imports them and it calls them over here. So it uses a card content and all of these divs. So I'm going to give it a try. Probably it will not be able to see these card components in the components UI card. So here, supposedly it should be components UI and here it should find a card. But the card we have here is just a simple card. It doesn't have all of these elements. So we will have to ask it to give us the instructions. Thank you. but this is not working. Can you give me instructions on how to get the card element installed? So this is a mistake of mine because I've actually deleted these card elements and descriptions. This is like my fault, but in my opinion, these tools should absolutely be giving you these instructions by default. So let's see if this CN UI thing runs. It gives you instructions, tells you everything you need to know. So hopefully, now that I'm going to terminate this job and try to add this card, it's going to be able to do that. So I'm clicking yes here, and I also will give this model a try through GitHub Copilot because I don't want us to stay restricted. So SAD-CN UI is not required. So let me go to card SAD-CN. Hopefully no porno pops up in the screen. They will most probably just give you a single command to install this thing. Like, I don't know if this Flash model doesn't have any kind of thinking. So this is like the npm. It should just give us this command over here and just simplify the whole tool case. So this is not good by them, not good at all. So, all right, we've run this command. I'm also going to run the command over here later on. But again, my job is to do what they tell us to do. This is GPT-3, Mini 3. What is the command he wants us to run? SAD-CN. Nope. Okay, so if I run this, will it run? Let's see. Install the following package. Yes, thank you. So let's see if it will be able to add the new card, replace the component, overwrite the file. Yes. So here you see this like a little bit of a complicated component. And here you can see this. And let's do npm run dev. Again, these are the problems that you will be encountering when using these tools. So it's always important to have a good understanding, at least for installing packages, because the problem with these tools is that they do not really have access to documentation. Again, no, this is the live website. So what's the problem over here? Element type is invalid. Composite check render method of toolcard. So what is exactly the problem? So this CN is not found. I think I actually have a CN somewhere. This file indeed exists somewhere in my database, but I don't remember where. From utils. So you want just this, or maybe not. Maybe it's here. Okay, so it's here. So it's components slash UI. Yeah, that's like one mistake of ours that we have changed the locations, even though this is not needed really. And yeah, you can see how much better this component looks like. It looks better, not quite centered, not that amazing, but still it is a little curvy, a little bit more good looking, I would say. And this is like the card content. It's a little bit more clear, more clearly written. So that's fine with me, at least for now, So then what we want to do is change this page in total. So this is the page that we want to be changing. I'm going to give it to the tool. I don't know if I can do that in GitHub Copilot. No, so it does not accept images over here. Okay, so toolcard is called by the homepage, I think, or the menu card. We have so many components. We have really to simplify this website, in all honesty. But again, I give you a little bit of an insights in what I'm building, because one of the main things that I want to do is have this channel with this use case. So main menu card, there is the title and the object entries. So this is pretty much this page over here. It has like the title and the links and okay, so let's go a step back, because we have a pair which is title and toolcard. So the first thing we want to be revamping is this experience over here. So I want it to, I don't know, maybe I should create a new chat. So this is this and this is that. And I have a component calling the card and an H1 header. Please use the header tag of SAD-CN, improve also the styling, etc. Let's run this. And we are also giving it like the image that shows the final result of what my code is doing. Okay, so I don't like the result. I honestly don't like this result. Like it has like the card header. So what it does, it skips everything I've told it and just tries it do its thing. Like I don't like this answer. And I will show you exactly why I don't like it. So I'm going to replace it because whatever. It's going and creates a card over a card. This is not a bad solution, in all honesty, especially if you've got multiple tools. This is not bad at all. I totally get it. I totally understand it. It's fine. I wouldn't say it's actually bad. No, I would say it's actually fine. It looks cool. I think it looks okay. I did not expect that. In all honesty, I did not expect that. But right now we're also going to be changing the main page. So I'm going to give it this code. Okay, so I will give you a partial screenshot of my landing page plus the code that invokes the elements. Make a more beautiful landing page, but keep all of the information inside. All right, so I'm giving it the code. I'm also going to give them this partial screenshot. And let's see what it will come up with. Use only Tailwind, CSS, and SADCN. We want, in general, me and my friend, we want to use only these two CSS libraries to have everything simplified. It's always so important to have simple things, not overcomplicate stuff. In my opinion, this is super important. And here they give us this code to install the container. So let's stop this and let's see what the container will do. So, all right, CN UI add card. All right, you know, guys, I think this SADCN is not needed. You just need the SADCN no UI thing. Or maybe not. Maybe you need that. Okay, so I'm going to have to do it manually. I don't know what is going on with these. Oh, there's no container. There's no container anymore. Well, that's interesting. Why is there no container? This makes no sense. Is this thinking model without search? Maybe it doesn't have search. Okay, so the container no longer exists as component. All right. So there is no container anymore in Next.js, so deprecated. Okay, so it did a mistake. Replace container with the import container UI is removed. Replace container with div and tailwind classes. Okay, let's see what it came up with. I'm really excited to see the final result. Maybe I should have given it like what exactly to do. Maybe that's a mistake of mine. Maybe I should have given it another landing page. I don't even know what they did change. I don't know. Does it look better? I don't know. It doesn't feel different. I don't know. Okay, let's go landing page for converter site. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's give it some inspiration. For site with multiple tools. Maybe that's also an option. I never thought about the landing page of our website. So you know what? I'm not going to stress about this. I think also we can do one more refactoring to make this video interesting. This is like the flyout menu. I want to improve it, make it look better. So this is the... Okay, so let's read first of all what it done. Replace the context, ensure tailwind, main card. Okay, it did some changes for the max width, horizontally scaled, okay. It added horizontal paddings. Okay, so it just changed the padding mostly and making it all more responsive for the screen sizes. So let's try this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so like this is the page. Yeah, it looks okay. It looks okay. For now, we're going to change the styling, the colors, maybe even the everything that goes around the landing page. So I'm not going to waste any more time. So here we have like this flyout menu, which is somewhere on the layouts. We really have to change this thing, like the namings and everything doesn't make sense. So this is my flyout menu. I don't like it at all. Please improve it using Tailwind CSS and SADCN. Okay, so I think also we should give it this navigation menu option. All right, so let's give it here, those options. And I'm just going to tell it, do whatever you want. I just want to see its creativity. And here you can see also the token count. We don't really generate that many tokens. I firmly expected that the token generation happening would be even bigger than that, but it seems like this is not the case. So let's see what it tells us. It gives us this code. It uses the drop down menu from SAD CN. All right, so we will have to install that. Okay, so let's go over here, copy and paste, and we need to get this drop down menu. Hopefully this exists. Let's see. All right, drop down menu. We will have to do it this drop down menu. We will have to do it manually, this installation. Yeah, they've probably changed the SADCN UI to SADCN, and that's all. That's like the only difference, and some depreciations. So it makes sense, as the model is not able to search the internet, it cannot gather more context. Okay, so this is like the drop-down menu, and how should it look like? All right, looks cool. Okay, so what other change does it want us to? Okay, this is the styling, update flyout menu, component invocation. Okay, so it tells us to change the invocation. Okay, so we have to go to the element, to the navigation bar element, which is over here, and it tells us that we should actually change this to be like that. Okay, so the flyout menu and the menu items are actually fed in this layer. Okay, let's see if this works. Well, I guess it makes sense because this is the element that we have the information and pass them to the next layer. So I think it makes sense. And you would actually fed it from root links to... Wait! How does it have access? How does it know it's there? Did we have it over here in the past? Okay, that's... Wait a minute. How does it know what I have in my database? Oh, it's over here. Okay, it makes sense. But we have not set that up yet. It's one of the things we want to refactor this Sunday. Spoiler alert. Okay, let's see the drop down. I don't like it. Did it change? Or are we in a cached version? I don't know. Navigation bar, flyout menu. Ooh, what is going on over here? Something strange is happening. And this is not working? Wait a minute, what is going on? Wait a minute, what is that? Hey, what is that? What is that, man? Come on. Okay, this menu is absolutely not looking good. It has to fix it. So the flyout menu looks ugly. Make it look nicer. Flyout menu examples. Flyout menu template. Styling. I don't know, whatever. Make it look better, man. Like, what is this? Okay, let's make it like that. I like this option. Okay, so yeah, I think that looks quite nice. All right, so we're going to tell it to make it look, for example, like the image. You can skip the description. All right, please do this change, and we have to fix like the other thing. Like, what the fuck was that? Like, atrociously ugly, super ugly buttons. I have to, keep everything updating. So this is the modified flyout menu. So let's check out how it will look like. So menu items. Now I'm going to pass the description, but I'm not going to use it. Simple as that. Pass the description, but not use it. Okay, let's see. Let's hit the refresh button. I didn't know it was casting things. Okay, that looks nicer. Still, I think it's not looking amazingly well, so I'm not going to be pushing this change, but it looks okay. I think it looks okay. It has also the shadow. Yeah, I think that works. All right, so what is going on? Why is this happening? Okay, so this analysis, it's fine. Okay, so let's tell it to fix that thing. So my cards on the main page are looking like that in full HD analysis. Fix that, please. So hopefully this is the final step that we are going to take. Final option. Hopefully this will fix the problem and it will be able to go to the exact spot where the problem is happening. Okay, understand the issue, are appearing to narrow. Right, exactly, this is the problem. So this is the main menu card. So I'm going to go to the main menu card, replace this. And I really love how many things it's posting for us. Okay, I'm going to take this code. That is the page layout, Control C, Control paste. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so it's changing like how everything is structured. Doesn't look bad. I want its main card to be on a separate row. This will probably be easy to fix. It just has to change the grids. So instead of having like grid calls large 4, it has 1, 1, and 1. So hopefully it will do this change and we will be okay. So this is like exactly the change we wanted to make. And that's what exactly it did. And it tells us exactly what we did. So this is also a very live explanation of how it works. Like, what is that, man? Nope. I don't like that inside the menu card, the card encapsulated is stretched. Come on, man. Like, it fixes one thing, but messes up all of the other things. So this is like probably the W full and H full. That's like the problem. So it has like to give it like grid or columns or whatever. I don't know what the fuck they're going to do, but this is absolutely atrocious. So yeah, okay, I understand you want inside to, okay, yeah. Let's see. Hopefully it will work right now, because it was absolutely insanely bad. So that looks kind of cool. Why is this like that? Could we have like a specific size for the inside cards instead of each having variable width and height? Yeah, like do this final change, please. Hopefully I'm not over the limit with this, the request per minute, but let's see. So here we have like modify tool card component. Okay, so where is the tool card? It's over here. So we change the tool card and it has like an error somewhere. I don't know, maybe not. Where is the error in the tool card? I don't get it. Can you see the error? I don't know. Okay, so fixed width, height. No, this is bad. Remove. I think the result is going to be super nice. I think the result is going to be super bad. Failed to compile. Unexpected token A. Why? What? I don't get it. Like, this is completely fucked up. Yes, it has like this tag. Okay, so that looks kind of better. So we solved it. We worked together, me and this tool, and we fixed it. But like this seems so small. I don't know. I really think there is a lot of work to happen for Gemini, but for simple things, it kind of works. But for harder things and styling the web pages, it's a no-go for me. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've seen something new, something interesting, and I will see you in the next video.